Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. WatchOS updated and Bluetooth connected, because Siri needs network and mic access to work reliably. Once done, enable Hey Siri in settings and the paired iPhone Watch app so voice activation is allowed. Now try the first actionable step. Raise your wrist and speak, or press and hold the digital crown for a single prompt. This gives you immediate feedback, helping you confirm mic sensitivity, and that Siri is responding to your voice. Once Siri responds, focus on precise phrasing so it interprets your request correctly. Speak clearly and use app or contact names to reduce ambiguity. Make compound requests by giving context up front. For example, say the app name, then the action, because that speeds execution. If you need a multi-step action, use follow-up prompts. Ask to set a timer, then add duration. Practice natural sentences. Siri adapts to your voice, which improves recognition over time, especially after a few successful commands. To finish, either tap done or simply lower your wrist and Siri will stop listening. This conserves battery and avoids accidental commands. If Siri doesn't work, restart the watch first, then confirm microphone permissions and network connections because those are common causes. Make sure WatchOS is current. If problems persist, try unpairing and repairing the watch as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: test Siri in quiet mode and a louder environment to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.